Today we will be creating a purple smoky eye look. For that, at first I need to prime my eyes. For priming my eyes, I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Natural. You can also use any eyeshadow primer for that. I'm gonna apply the concealer using a flat eyeshadow brush. You can also use your hand for that. I will also apply some under my eyes. I will spread it using the same brush. After that, I will set the concealer a little bit using a beauty blender. I will dab the beauty blender over my concealer. Then I will use W7 Banana Cream Loose Powder. I am using a brush to apply the powder on my eyes. I will apply it in the areas where I have applied concealer. Then I will use this brown shade from Gorgeousme palette. It's a palette by Beauty Glaze. I will use it as a transition shade. After that, I will take this green shade from the same palette. I am using the same brush. It's mainly a eyeshadow brush and it's pretty big. After that, I will apply this shade from here. It's kind of a sky shade. This will mix with the brown and green and kind of create a silver eyeshadow, I guess. After that, I will apply this purple shade from the same palette. I will use the same brush. I will start from the outer corner of my eyes. I will apply a little bit more product. I am kind of building the color actually. After that, I will use this burgundy shade from the same palette. I will be using a medium eyeshadow brush to apply it on my eyes. I will gently apply this color in the middle of my eyes. After that, I will take this navy blue shade. I will apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm kind of darkening this side. Be careful with blending, otherwise your eyeshadows will look patchy. Then I will take a clean brush to blend everything together. I will smooth out any harsh edges with this blending brush. After that, I will take this pink shade from the same palette. I am using a small blending brush here. I will also apply this pink shade on my lower lash line. I am kind of blending it with the purple shade. After that, I will take this sea green type of shade from the palette. I am using the same small brush. I will focus it on my inner corner. I will make it a little bit more darker. After that, I will take this olive color from the palette. I will simply use my finger for that. After that, I will take this golden shade from the palette. I really can't recall the name of this palette. I will focus it on the middle of my eyes. Then I will blend it using a brush. I will take a little bit of this burgundy shade from the palette to blend the glitter with the eyeshadow. For my eyeliner, I will be using W7 liquid liner. I will draw a wing liner. After that, I will use a nude pencil on my waterline. After that, I will take the same burgundy shade from the palette. I will apply it on my lower lash line. The brush I am using is mainly an eyebrow brush. I will highlight the inner corner of my eyes and also my brow bone with this shade from His Beauty palette. It's mainly a highlighting palette. You can use any highlighter you want. Then I will curl my lashes. For my mascara, I am using Bob mascara.